Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a seafood boil in the bag.
In the bag, you know what I'm saying? We have to bring Crafty Crab home with us. So we did it at home.
At home.
Right.
But guess what, family? You know, I think I found that clip. If I find it, we're gonna drop it.
We're going to drop it.
We're gonna drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
I think first that he was drunk that night.
What?
And she wasn't paying attention to what's going down. But anyway, let's get to the good what we came here for.
So in this bag, we have shrimp, we have mussels, we have corn, we have potato, we also have sausage, and we have some broccoli. I threw some broccoli up in there.
We're at home, so you make whatever you want.
For real.
Yeah.
And guess what? It wasn't extra to put egg in there.
Exactly, it wasn't extra to put egg. They charged extra for egg. And see?
$2 for 2 eggs.
So question, is this a half a pound bag? What kind of pound bag I got? Gotta ask you what kind of pound bag you want. So I think I got a half a pound bag, right?
Yeah, that is true.
All
that is true. Ooh, it's steamy.
What we here for now? We ain't got all that talking.
Steamy.
Open with me, family. Open it. Okay, there we go. You own one side. Here you go. There you go. You know, once I put on this, it's a Rizzy.
Oh yeah.
The beard gang in the building, cause you know.
Gang.
Seafood.
Can you guys see it? Let me have the broccoli because no sir. The broccoli are hot.
All right.
Let me see.
Wow. It's the seasoning for me. I already smell it.
Yes. Okay, let me try to do it this way so you guys can see. No, why not open up more, man?
You want to open up more? You love open up too much?
Yeah, I love open up. There you go.
Oh, that how you did? Ripped it?
Yeah, just the sides.
Okay, let me do that.
Like that.
Bear with us.
Yes. You know, we're new to this.
Bear with us.
On the channel, though.
Bear with us.
There it goes. So you can see it.
Yeah. That's more like it.
That's more like it. Yeah. You know, they're not gonna like that.
Yo, don't start, you know. You starting problems, do not start.
All right. Are you all right? Are you starting by the to my food?
I gotta help you. Here. I gotta help you first. You're probably gonna get one of my...
You fucker, yo.
I want to catch
Don't
me.
put your hand in my food.
Mucho caliente. Here, take a you see that steam? I know y'all can't see, but take a broccoli.
Oh, this one is not open, so I'm not gonna eat that one. You know the mussel, if it's not open, you're not supposed to eat it.
Okay, first, ready?
Don't worry, family. I put enough food in here because I knew we're gonna eat some.
Good?
Pepper.
There. I should have something to put this on, you know. I like my stuff in my thing, you know, my eat. I mix up some of my thing there.
It's good.
Oh, yeah. We got something going here first, Diddy.
I don't want to put.
I got y'all. Oh, I know. I got y'all.
It's good. That's a great idea. Just drop it in there.
Family, okay. Wow.
Sausage tastes nice, man.
That's nice.
What I like about it being in the bag is that yes, it's individual, but it stays hot. So you guys know, I love my food hot. Hot with pepper and hot off the fire. That's how I like it. So when it's in the bag, it keeps hot.
Don't mind me. I'm getting down and dirty. Here, I'm gonna open the mussel for y'all. Put some little dippers in here. Take a mussel with me. So I don't know how much more mussel First Lady wanted. I got BM mussels already.
I gave them a sausage.
You gave them a sausage? Oh wow!
I did.
Give her a round of applause. Woo! You did good. They say thank you?
Yeah, man.
That's good. Oh, you want a piece of egg? Okay.
Woo.
I'm gonna give you an egg. I'm gonna give you a full egg. Do you like egg like that though? If you don't like it, don't take it and you don't want it. Cause I don't want you to take my egg and you don't want it here. Okay, good. Okay. It's good.
The sauce.
Sorry, did you touch it already? Yeah. Alright?
I might.
First they be coming that crunch time.
I might.
First they got the allergies, B.
I don't know what happened. It's like, it just came out of nowhere. That's how allergies usually go anyway, so I get it. I keep on coughing because every time I inhale, it's like the pepper hit my throat. And I have to cough.
Cloud, nice one.
I gave you small ones because you said you don't yam can.
Yam can, man. I eat some when you make seafood. Wow, this is good.
I like the broccoli in it.
Broccoli nice.
The broccoli absorbed all of the sauce.
All the sauce.
So it's really like flavorful.
Yeah, it's good. I know. Don't forget. The link is in the description below. The Greedy Couple patties is available. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not.
It's so funny because when you don't need something, you don't think about it, right? And that's why they say out of sight, out of mind. Because now that we have the online patty, and we're gonna be adding some more stuff to that, y'all. We're gonna be adding some more stuff. It's gonna be like a Jamaican grocery stores, okay? A grocery store.
One-stop shop all. You know what? This is already family member, so you know. Y'all say it.
Anything Jamaican, it's gonna be on here if we can get it. But dry ice? Who would have thought it's so hot? Man.
Yeah. Dry ice is a problem.
Problem. Now that we have the system down pat, can't find dry ice. But it's okay.
Always an issue.
God will make the way. The devil is out to get us, man. He ain't winning. He's not gonna win.
Wow, this is delicious.
It's really good, my love.
You want me up here?
I have some. Ooh, you gotta be careful with this thing.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, because you rip it like you was acting like a crazy person.
Hungry my you.
I see.
I'm watching them. Let's see the food card. They say. I'm gonna give you a shrimp later.
Yeah. These are just a large shrimp at Walmart. Because I ain't feel like going to 2, 3, 4 different stores. Because there's, you know, there's some stores that you go to for certain things, and others that you go to for another thing. So I ain't feel like that life today.
Yeah. It was a rainy day too.
Yeah, I wasn't about that life. So I just said forget it.
Very rainy. I'll give you a shrimp. Let me give you a bigger one. Here.
You guys ever had seafood in the bag?
So, yep. Calm it down. Take a piece of shrimp right there. I'll hold it for y'all. Okay, good. Or you only get it when y'all go out.
I'm not gonna lie. I like the way I make it better.
Anything you make yourself always gonna taste better.
Yeah. That's true.
One time you taking a body of freak.
Come on. If you don't eat egg in your seafood boil, I'm not lying to you, you missing out. Okay?
That egg be busting, B. Again, shout out to everybody that's showing us some love. You know what I'm saying?
And ordering.
Ordering. Appreciate y'all.
They are coming in. Who would have known so much people love patty?
Appreciate y'all, good peoples. You know what I mean?
We're gonna start taking orders for oxtail.
Whoever wants some oxtail, order now.
Miss Elaine Knight, she's ready.
We got you, okay? You want an oxtail? We got you. Oxtail be hitting though, for real. And yes. As I said, I'm gonna keep reminding you of this too.
I'm sorry.
When we finish with the kitchen, we're gonna go live cooking. Okay?
Finish.
Live cooking, family.
I'm calling myself good.
Catch me and First Lady around the stove.
I fried the sausage first. The trick is you have to make everything separate. Like you steam everything, then you put it in the bag, then you add the sauce, and you put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes.
Oh, you got a steamer. You Hollywood now.
I got a steamer, y'all. I like it.
First Lady Hollywood.
It's right on the stove.
It did good.
Oh, good.
You did an excellent job. You gotta drink my people juice. You know what it is already. Joyce Mac, you know what it is already.
What? I have all this food on this side? My gosh.
Your food now move my youth.
With potato. Oh my gosh.
You like
Like, like, I want a potato. I want the shrimp.
No, I'm potato, no.
Like, them fat.
No, I'm my youth. Give it to the family member. I want they want potatoes.
They said they don't want that. They want shrimp and mussel and all kind of something them.
This is good.
I like these little mussels. Because
Oh, it's not the big one, I'm saying.
these little ones are just as flavorful. But the green lip mussels, they're delicious, but sometimes they be having too much fur in there, man. Too much beard. And it be big.
Yeah.
These little ones, even if it's in there, you don't even taste it. Although,
The shrimp going hard too.
yeah. While I was cooking the food, Rich was talking about that's not enough food for me.
It's not. Family, you know how it is already. Wow.
That's not closed. That's
It's
closed.
closed?
Remember, you can't eat the mussels if they're closed. That's what I'm saying. So it's not good. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh. Telling you, when you eat something
Right?
spicy, your nose, your ears, everything starts scratch you, burn you. And coming like say,
Oh, you want more? Okay. Sorry. Here, take 2 sausage.
2?
2 for the price of 1, yeah.
Wow.
There you go, family. Grab it now. There you go. All right. Sorry. Yeah, I gotta say something though. If you don't say something, how we gonna know?
You want something we? Me and you?
We. You gotta say something, family, because you know me. Once I start, at first it's like I'm racing with somebody. Like somebody gonna take my food.
Yeah.
Gotta eat.
Me eating pretty slow today. Your beard things ain't even dirty. You doing good.
I improve.
Yeah, you're not a rookie anymore.
I'm not. I improve. Kudos to me. Wow. That's busting. Wow.
Busting.
Appreciate y'all feedback again
Oh yeah.
on the vaccine. Appreciate y'all. Cause I thought it wasn't normal. I thought it was like I was weird. Like, cause I know everybody said after you take that first shot, you get numb.
Yeah. It hurts.
I was numb, but now I feel much better. My food done enough? Wow. You did good too.
I did good, right? You want some shrimps?
Not take that shrimp. I'm gonna take some of that food earlier. They said don't take enough food.
Ooh. Look at all that onions.
Wow. Yes, I finished it. Yeah, it's done, see? Done. Done. Sure done. Long day. Needed that in my life. So how y'all been? Did we ask on that?
So long in the video you asked them how they been?
Sorry, family. If y'all been reach this far, if you reach this far, let me know. How y'all been? No? Sorry about that, but you know, we have to get in this right here real quick. I got me an egg. Who want to share the last piece of egg with me?
And it's still hot. Like still warm now.
Who want to share the last piece of egg with me? You? Hold on, come on now. I said share. You want to grab the whole thing already? No. For that, I changed my mind. I changed my mind, y'all.
What?
They grab it out my hand.
They're hungry.
I gave them a lot. I ain't gonna lie, I gave them a lot today. Oh, this was good. You did good. You did good. If you never tried it in the bag, do it in the bag. Everything absorbed in that bag.
Yeah. Wow. That's a lot of sauce.
I'm done. Now you see it. Now you don't.
That's a good way to clean up too. It's an
excellent.
excellent way to clean up.
Oh, I almost forgot the word of wisdom. It's short and sweet today, you know? It's nothing big, you know? But I already know y'all doing this already, so that's why it's not a biggie, you feel me? So I'm gonna give y'all good peoples a piece of it. You know what I'm saying? Family, First Lady, we are ready. All right. Family, if you don't go after your dream, you will never get it.
That's true.
I'm gonna say it again.
That's simple, but
Very simple.
straight to the
Straight
point.
to the point. That's why I said it's a short
Boom,
and
bam,
sweet.
bam,
Yes,
bam.
I told you it's a short and sweet, and they're already doing that already. You see- you don't listen to what I be telling you.
We're going.
I'm gonna read it again for y'all good peoples, cause y'all said read it again. I told you it was gonna be short and sweet, but see, I'm gonna read it again. So don't step away again, cause you didn't hear the first time. 'Cause I told you it was short. Family, if you don't go after your dream, you will never ever get it.
That's right.
Okay? So, put it in your own words. I told you short and sweet already, so it's not a biggie. You know what I mean? Just do the right thing, you know? And that's what we're doing over here, you know? Don't forget, the link is in the description, you know what I'm saying? So, show your family members some love, you know what I'm saying? Share if you care, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt to share, you know what I mean? It's not, you know, you don't get charged for it. But, as I said, just bear with us, you know? We're taking baby steps, you know what I'm saying? But we appreciate y'all, for everybody that's rocking with us. If you're new, welcome to The Greedy Couple. You know what I'm saying? Where we talk about anything and we just eat whatever. You know what I'm saying? Our style. Yeah. What we like, okay? Yeah. Appreciate y'all. I'm Richie, a.k.a. Chatty Pasta, a.k.a. First Lady, a.k.a. Boss First Lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
Oui.